Especially in the beginning, you can't be all things, all people. You have to decide.
We're here at the Fairfax County Government Center kicking off, after 6 years, the 2025 Small Business Forum. This is a great event where small businesses can interact with county agencies and other vendors to help grow and thrive their business. We have a plenary portion where we have a keynote speaker, we have a panel portion, followed by a reverse trade show on both sides of the Government Center. There's a wide variety of vendors that are here, from banks and credit unions, from chambers of commerce, from the county agencies that are right here that can interact with small businesses to address their needs. But in addition, we also have breakout rooms where small businesses can attend, learn, educate themselves on most important small business initiatives like proposal writing, like how to interact with county agencies to acquire funding, how to interact with what's happening at the federal, state, and local level when it comes to different aspects like tariffs and how they're impacting small businesses, and what the county is doing on the resource side to impact them for the betterment. For more information, please visit the Fairfax County Small Business Commission website, and we look forward to having you at our next Small Business Commission meeting, which is held on the fourth Monday, 7 p.m. right here at the Fairfax County Government Center.